Hi guys. I bought this crucial portable SSD X9 Pro 2 terabyte storage device, which is external drive from Amazon. And today I'm going to walk you through how it looks like. When you look at the image, it appears bulky. You will be amazed when you see on the video. It comes with full instructions, as you can see, in different languages. And the SSD external drive, X9 Pro. See how small it is, a 2 terabyte storage. And it's really compact and small. It has a USB-C port. See how much small it is on a touchpad, a normal touchpad of my laptop. And there we have the USB-C cable. It is a USB-C to USB-C port. It is short. It's okay with to use it with a laptop and Android device. Sometimes maybe you may want to use a longer cable, or in my case I cannot use this because my laptop takes a normal USB port, so I use a data cable which I use for my Android phone. In this case, the end that points to the USB-C is connected to my storage device, and the USB point is connected to my PC. Let me open my Explorer and see how my computer detects my external drive. Okay, X9 Pro is detected as in drive E folder, so it has been detected nicely. If I open the drive, inside the SSD drive, you see these files. These are files helpful to manage your data, to transfer your files, as well as software that help you to back up your data, which is really cool. Besides, there are help files, as you can see. There are links that take you to the support website as well, and very useful other software and guides are also included, which I am happy. Now that we have checked it's working nicely, and I have to safely remove or eject my device. I'm clicking my device, so it has now been ejected. So now I can safely disconnect it from my laptop because I have removed it. So the SSD drive X9 Pro is very compact, flexible. You can use it on your Android device, you can use it on your computer. So it's very flexible, it's very small. You can take it anywhere. So I'm happy with what I have seen and experienced. The price is fair, although it's not cheap, and the product seems to be very sturdy because it's a metallic cover, and I recommend anyone who buys this device will be very happy, as I am. I have also provided a link if you want to buy the product. See the link down below. If you buy from my channel, it also earns me some commission, and I thank you for that.